Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today's program is long, detailed, and important. We are bringing you three major stories shaking South Sudan right now. First, a heartbreaking killing of a community chief in Warab State. Second, the slow collapse of justice as the trial of Dr. Riek Machar exposes the weakness inside South Sudan's legal system. And third, we will talk about breaking update from Torit, where SPLA-IO and NAS forces reportedly took over an SSPDF military base after clashes. Before we begin with this top story, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin our report with the killing of Chief Watlwal. We start with a painful report from Gogrial, West County, Warab State. According to the information, a respected community leader, Sultan Watlwal, was the executive chief of Wunkwil Tibuma, has been shot dead by an SSPDF soldier, South Sudan People Defense Force. This news has shocked families, elders, and the entire community. What happened on this day shows how dangerous it is when untrained soldiers are given guns and placed among civilians. The beginning of the incident. This story started earlier in the day when a woman was killed in the area. Her family and neighbor went to the market to confront the suspect. Witnesses said a fire broke out, shouting, pushing, and confusion among the people. SSPDF soldiers were calling. Instead of calming the situation, they arrested several people, including the chief himself. Reports say that once the chief was taken into custody, he was beaten. People around the area heard his voice asking for help. Hours later, he requested to be released, but his request was not accepted. The chief then tried to walk out of the detention area. At that moment, an SSPDF soldier raised his gun and pulled the trigger. The chief fell to the ground and died from the gunshot. The killing has caused deep anger among the people. Some are asking, why was a respected chief beaten? Why was live ammunition used? Why are untrained soldiers handling community issues? Why does the government ignore these killings? Many people say this. A trained soldier understands his weapon. A trained soldier understands responsibility, but an untrained soldier causes death. The message is simple. A gun in the hand of an untrained person is a danger to the whole community. Local authorities have not yet released a full statement. The soldier who shot the chief is reported to be the same soldier deployed last year during community clashes. People are worried that the case may be forgotten like many cases before. Today, Gogrial West County is crying. The chief was not only a leader, he was a father, a guide, a voice of peace. His death is a loss to everyone who believes in unity and local leadership. Changfied News continue to follow this story and will bring update as soon as more information come out. And let's move on to another top story today. The collapse of justice in South Sudan. Our second story today takes us to the national level, to the courtroom, where first by President Dr. Riek Machar and 7 other accused individuals are facing a long, strange, and confusing trial. Many South Sudanese are calling it the trial with no progress, a trial with no evidence, a trial that exposed the broken justice system in the country. Every time the court meet, something happens. The prosecutors say they are not ready. Evidence is not available. Witnesses are missing. Files are incomplete. People are asking, How can a case of this important be handled with such confusion? Critics say the whole trial is political, not legal. One commentator wrote this: if the court were serious about justice, then accountability would include all leaders, even President Salva Kiir Mayardit. This statement shocked many people, but others agreed, saying that South Sudan's problem cannot be blamed on only one person or one group. South Sudan justice system has a long history of arresting the weak, protecting the powerful, ignoring victims, delaying cases, losing files, using court for politics. This trial is now added to that long list. This is not only about Dr. Riek Machar, it is about the whole justice system. People say leaders are not held accountable. Public money is misused. National resources are used for personal benefit. Corruption blocks development. Insecurity continues every year. Youth died and no one answered for it. Peace is discussed but never achieved. For many years, South Sudanese have lived under fear and uncertainty. They see leaders fighting for power, not for the people. South Sudan is a country with great potential. If it has resources, young people, land and hope. But every year the same problem continue. Tribal conflict, military abuses, political disagreement, corruption at every level, lack of basic services, lack of real democracy. The trial of Dr. Riek Machar has become a symbol of all these problems. And instead of showing strength, the justice system is showing weakness. Citizens are saying they want equal justice. They want a fair court. They want accountability. They want leadership that respect the law. They want national resources used for development. They want peace, not a political game. They want a country where everyone has right. People say that South Sudan must change before it collapses further. True democracy means leaders must answer to the people. Court must be defended. All leaders must be judged equally. Citizens must speak without fear. National resources must be used to build the nation. Insecurity must end. People must be protected, not threatened. Many people believe that only the citizen can demand this change. Changfied News will continue covering the trial and the national conversation around justice. Let's move on to another breaking news from Torit. Now we have moved to Eastern Equatoria for our breaking news. Please, before we start with this top story, help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Report coming from Torit say that SPLA-IO and NAS, National Salvation Front, forces have jointly captured an SSPDF military base after new clashes yesterday. This incident happened on November 22nd, 2025. Local source said heavy fighting broke out early in the morning. SPLA-IO and NAS forces moved together in a joint operation. SPLA-IO, it is under Nathaniel Oyet, and NAS, National Salvation Front, under Thomas Cirillo. The SSPDF soldiers withdrew after intense clashes. The base was taken over by opposition forces. Right now, the situation remains tense. People living near the area are worried because they fear more clashes. They fear revenge attack. They fear displacement. They fear that fighting may spread. Well, here, at the moment, the government has not released a statement. SPLA-IO has not released a statement. NAS has not released a statement. Casualty numbers are not known. This is the developing story. Changfied News will keep watching event and bring update when available. Guasme ban raketin kona lat Carodian. Kan kono please make sure no jin subscribe kashi notification bell chijetwan. Komu take mu bere guasme be shamala shube kije. Ban jeto katin kona sharin lat ray wika South Sudan. Atikon keri pone to chop kadjok to ban linkel. Rig muchetu ka community dor shalka warab state dor president self kem yadit. Shala den wonene shal kwarcha jenegan binimi ban jelinga lerma. Lerode ban right ka kwi ngoni ta dana yan ke dakrama charka je ke loka je ke je chala do ne me chiang mi choro lut je nyosre kuma kam right ke kim yadit diodien bar right ke kurdana chitu doran shal ke Torit kam SPLIO mi choro mat kenenas National Salvation Front ken kuma SPLIO gwad mi nyinga tin ke SSPDF mi shala do shiga military base ni dangro chikan SSPDF chikan ga jutin banjelinga je report me gorno jin be subscribe ko bi notification bell bu jetwan tong na jakalera nyam Sudan en shakwar wood mishala waslo al chaja nekten ka jom mishala ten walle chala den doran shwal ke gogreal West County ka warab state tegering mi chitu oktin tega won mo nok long ramloske jen sultan waslo al wasakwar jen executive chief of mukwel sibuma jen chala do chaja nek deni SSPDF en ler mishit kana me chinering wan no shaka gay lon ko do badana nakka kwer kaja shangwane gay dieni wona ka ne dialtin kon intere which amo ka warab state man jitu gene talado na me ramadan nagran e DHSS PDF mi tel training ki kan ngech ko do badana dong der mai der jarom ko je ki der mimo mishi mi jeglat karam ken mi jeglat der je yen kaja ka jo chalat gwaseme awa en wude me mi dej chira nake ko ede nyagrano no mi berani kwar ki kwaran la kwa dawich no wajen te ka gwal mishna nyintin te ka shek mishanak en wen money shek mishajanak wa shi shemani gu jen chikano gwal dan naka shek tan shek naka je ka market ka tuk mishna we lo wa ramadan nagran waje gor shemani shigamo take tena manager kwar money wan gwad mo shu korcho chu talk roalna no ko naro wan gwad mo shu confusion midi twe no kana and when money shu SSPD balade ni South Sudan People Defense Force sheyo ben and when mo gwad to rectin waka bendian no ke gwad dan jikana roalna tin ko biken situation ana yito begen kula jako betok wa shu kana shu kan kayen amera madana la kwar chukan yen bokel kane diala to ka don woni jen ko we na we courage inana wa kwar jen chaje nan ka military custody la dol yen madana te ne contin la deni SSPDF tikitin ka report sha non gwata me wa kwar chaje doje lonke chaje mo ko bot na yende ni man la kana malalet mi ci deni shi kan wude me shi kana ka ba shi kana doy ka don mi dit ka joran shalat son wena mo wache we ba cha wer cha jeling shola na no loka shona jogo no lo nya jogo de ni duno chwa jelok ngwatmo mi sha logo de ni mon wo ba jelo nya wajen charo chu kwan jena werar shi kwar che chu jena lo jani jena ka gwada na cha je captain ke cha yentin lo werar we kene almene SSPDF chu de te de kelan gwasmo marani SSPDF chu mare yu kan ka shugu mo yo bar jen gwada danen cha kwar ya yo bar chochote ente de namo shoyo liu ko chaje ber joda chajo mo chaje la no shi community shi ka react long ne de content te wuda modorien dor janin gonamo ko ram sha nege ram mo le la kwar tenyo ne na man chinere wan chi ti ke jela community ngumi dwai ka kwar ka jamoni dini SSPDF ngumi barka je ka jamo dini SSPDF ka ram mo mekan ngejo mekan ngi ke discipline dai kamo mo kam jo mai ke je ke ko community cases ko ka andole jen why and question mission mo cha jare senate ko la community ke nyogbo te ke kumeno ngumi ku kan liya ku kan no ta da na na je mo ne de nye shinere wanan wen mo shikara je no de mekan nge mi cha ran je de ka bang cha je de la de ka da rami mo mi de nang ni je ke rami dong de pal da je guj ko mi cha je no mi shi kwarshe logo no tere ti jen de kan kam je de kan yan de no bad nang ni je chit ka michala done tama so mi chit me investigation ngoretin ko ba ram mo ba je teach ramadan and she kwer ke shift chi janna kray wishin binami bi Changfied news be no roini tin kon burian lat ka gwasan be mi take another development mi shoda lat ka jan riya mane but dor shal ka gorial west county mo ne ngwan dir kan lon ka do budan en sha kwer cha janna ka je dong de ka nyin ke de na SSPD bo ngora kananga but chire ga me chetwo wana ka jawra den mishalat ka queen woni chala de no justice system re wi ka South Sudan shi ka je la ne ren kontin te ngotte ka pindien kene ko na lokolo ke je report me kan kono nyam please go no jin subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko mite miti bare gwasme ba shamala shi bekeje mukane subscribe gwazan loka Dr. Chatin first vice president Dr. Machar kane dang barotin kono ya yen kel chala do ne me mi beje long wa tele mi la talk mitin wa a very strange kajan a confusing trial lo gay winat ko do badan lat ke jeje ne de wan chol kono ne me a politically motivated ki siyasa ki politic ko chala no en mandana nyu the no en ta dana lat ke justice ke jere wi ka South Sudan o en trial dung Dr. Machar wa te ke kwaktung wan ta karyalika no kontem me cha tugulo na nyur shemna nyu na ko court ko gwatot baje nang niam baje jonet ke baje nang ko ba lele molka ke chang do diene mi ibnar kono realka lo tele de ne to go te cha jikten te kwa da ma char ken ne ke kwa la luka ke one justice system me wa broken justice system rai we ke South Sudan lo tele talk let ken kon mi chala do ne mi ba delay men ba jelat keb na buka jan cha tok cha de malat cha lalat keno ne me la cha kan tare ka lo cha tare cha jek so mi chikene me chenere wani kala de wona me gwan mi motel evidence to nyoda no reng ma cha che dor che jelat gwan mi motel witness ni to wrong to be keno de kan man tok de kan lat and gwan mi mo wa tele document ke file to go no ala they only have incomplete file tele kan ka bina deliver ke la kan ka top gwada dan internatin ka court chai la do ne me en gwangun ne me wa melet ken she tok tel mu gwamritin la ko wa mi serious long panken wa de ken ke yen ba mani point and self ke me yadit ko shi ram kel karo wa de mela Dr. Ring Machar me jen de dial de ka nok wi de mo ke de yen ko gwam bar kalat ke dial ke joda what about kir me yadit men jega chalat ngaje ne diara wi ka South Sudan ngumi ba ram kelo Dr. Machar bar dial ba lat ke je chala ne me che chuong ajen mu nyoto jen wona meni amichal ke a politically motivated trial ka jawran chalat ke je look miladung siasa ke dum politika ne dum wan gwas milar ken no ne do be yan ka den Machar kani mutalot ano en code mo mishal special code labje ko baram kel ko da baje yen ka do mi go logo jeno ba party min shal ka spela yo baje jagatelot you know en me ke liu mi chala do shi chuang jen mi justice system ko ba la mi mo cha bu nged ne dial so ne me mi shor lat mi de kon lin ka ta dan ci to gaje no wa en ko de me ku ngwana ku kan de lagwa ke lugna to gwa why not there case ne to ngwande re aleka but case da kren Machar wa case mi di long important person ke important leader mudong de case de mari aleka go do gwa dan de aleka but ci jana dan latke wa jin ko la do ne me siyazi ki political latke delayment no ko wonna ko wuko de mal de jeno entem wuko ru kan ngambeke wana meni delayment mo point wa chere mi cha justice cha je denied already wa justice delay again justice denied chema ya lade wudi shalka me Michael Makwilwas right now katin ko kena kono de kon kelingwas me an leren ban lingwas me riga dan ti to grade duar shalke Torit na me jen lere jok Eastern Equatorial State ka joma shala chala do nene SPLIO kene NAS ki National Salvation Front awa panken awa chicken dora shalke Torit chicken base SSPD military base chaje kevaken ka kep kana pan ka chanya ndang ro widero ka pai welkel ronkin dang ro jandang ro dich chala do nene na mo wa karun wang long ka jan chanya ndang ro widero mo wa shamit dir long cha ka ling ka shu SPLIO kene NAS force you can ngot ka you can kormo you can ter ka SSPD one mi mo shwa base bung SSPD chwa you kebaken what time right now what situation at 10 salon الوادي نكاتن وكا لو لرشي بكور بلا مديت انونا تيرون chagolat gwas me kuma spela yo ka joran chejek jokene dialo no tila civilian no yen chwa to gwada dan to courtin ken o priority nyam ken o bene ne kola civilian bene ka gang batina nena ka kuma kirim yadi de mum be laden teme be no no ba mal ba jelat ki be te ka ta dan te ka jenwon ko ngai kone shikim yadi chemal che de gorwen la de ni kala ka jaga SSPD baga jagwa dante SPLA yo tetin na beken na mo beken na real ka lo nyina boraina mi kuma SPLA yo ken nas charin made wachi kursi rode nyok me gera rode ja dor shal tori de chayu ka beken ajeri por dan en chaje gana me en banajik kalar do dien chuli poro jono jin bi Changfied YouTube channel bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan en bi ta kamal bye bye.